Come test drive the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, fog lights, clock, compass, day-night rear-view mirror, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.